Hi everyone, welcome back. So I've been working on this project here and I figured I should probably record this and show you guys exactly how I do this. So you know the trending look right now with the shoulder pads and the t-shirts and stuff? Well, I saw this one look where it was a button-up type colored shoulder pad look. I really liked it. I wasn't sure if it was something that I would personally wear, so I went to the store and tried one on and I loved it. I would have bought that shirt, but the shoulder pads I felt were a little bit too thick and too wide for my personal preference. So I decided, well, let me go ahead and make one then. Well, life is busy, has been busy, and I don't want to put the time and effort to making one completely from scratch. So I thought the next best thing is to grab one of my husband's old button-up collared shirts and hacking it to have one of my own. So the one good thing about using a men's shirt is that their armhole depth is fairly deep compared to women's button-up shirts. So the reason why you want a longer depth is because you need room for the shoulder pads, the thickness of the shoulder pads. So I still have to do the other side of this shirt, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do that. Once you tried on this shirt, go ahead and mark your shoulder, where your shoulder ends, and place it flat on the table. I am folding up my shoulder pad in half so I can align it against the chalk mark and along the shoulder seam, and I'm going to trace it. I'm going to give myself a little bit of wiggle room to create seam allowance. And really, you could choose any method you want to finish off the raw edges. I like to just serge and fold over, but it's your choice. This is going to create the facing that covers up the shoulder pad. And we want to go ahead and cut out the rest of the sleeve because we will no longer be using it. Now it's time to secure the shoulder pad in place. I like to use the center of the shoulder pad to align with the shoulder seam of the garment. And using a needle and thread, I'm just tacking all sides of this shoulder pad to the garment. You could use the machine if you'd like, but I just don't want any of the stitching to show on the right side of the garment. And once you are done, go ahead and flip this shoulder pad back inside the garment and tack it down. To give my collars a little bit of flair, I decided to order these book cover corners metal clasps. I think that's what they're called. Find them anywhere online. And my collar corner is not at a 90-degree angle, so these were very easy to adjust, no problems at all. You could also use pearls and studs or hot fixed jewels to jazz up your collar, and it's fun. Here is the final look. Yay, it was easy, too easy actually, and I had fun jazzing up this old colored button-up shirt. Definitely very trendy, but you only live once, so wear what you want, right? I'll see you all next time.